and look at our window.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Our names are on it and everything.
Look at our decorations.
Right up.
Backpacks and go down the floor by your feet. And once you're fully seated, watch your hands are on the right-hand side. There's a big closed just a moment. Now, black rhino will grow to be over 3,000 pounds large and can still charge about 35 miles per hour despite its size. Very top of the falls, the left-hand side, the very edge of the river, you can spot a massive now then we'll go over 20 feet long. The giraffe are the tallest land animals in all of Africa. When they're first born, they're about 6 feet tall. By adults, they will grow between 15 and 20 feet in height. Now, just in case you're wondering, those grand zebra are black with white stripes.
Look at the baby.
Now, white rhino will weigh over 5,000 pounds large and can still charge about 40 miles an hour despite their size. Now, as you may notice, we're remaining completely seated for me, please. Now, lions are typically inactive, but even once.
Ciera and I are at Disney World, and of course our stop is going to be here at the local African Starbucks.
We're taking a short little break. Just sitting down in the shade for a minute before we...
That scared the crap out of me. It's just a cactus.
We're taking a break before we go to our next fast pass. I think I want to just go to Everest. Just take a little break and then go to Everest. Yeah.
I think it's a good idea.
We're going to Everest next, which is one of my favorite rides. I'm super excited. Are you?
I can't remember it, but yeah.
Someone with the Yeti?
Oh gosh. I'm terrified.
Attention, Expedition Everest team.
Push it. Alright, and then hold on. Wait. Pull it back out. Alright. Push it. And hold it in front of the camera. Stay right there. That's sword. Focus. Focus. Cool. Ciera and I just hopped on the Carousel Progress.
This is one of my favorites.
He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit. Millions of people came to see it. And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater.
What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today.
Hey, Danny.
What's your back line?
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
So I've never had a Dole Whip before, and we got a pineapple float, and so I'm really excited to try it.
Is it good?
It's really good. Now I understand why everyone raves about it.
Everybody stay here for 1 second. You're all gonna come to the middle of the workbench.
Bonjour!
Aren't you a good-looking bunch? Especially you in the back. This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. At least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Are you guys ready to surprise Belle? Yeah!
Wonderful.
You sir right over here. And you sir right over here. Super cool. Right over here. Right over here.
All right.
Right over here. I have plenty of boards for everyone else. Anyone else want a part who did not get one? Come on up.
Does everybody have a part who wants one?
Anybody else want a part? Come on up.
Madame Wardrobe, we are ready.
All right.
Oh,
all my
you're
cast
on.
members are going to the library first, please. My cast
Au revoir.
members.
Bye-bye.
Cast members first. Keep coming all the way. Can you help with the lights?
But of course.
Merci, monsieur.
Well, where are you, mademoiselle?
Here.
Now.
Surprise!